Are you ready to see a glimpse of the communication of the future and how we could control drones? In this short demo, I would like to show you how we were able to use just thoughts to send these signals to a drone and control it. In the short demo, our client is controlling a drone using just his thoughts. So he's basically imagining that he's moving his arms, left and right hand, and by doing this, we are sending this to a drone. So we have a system, an AI system, that will translate the emotions and the brain signals of this client into a command. And whenever the client is feeling stressed, the drone will land. Please have a look at this short demo. So looking at the demo, the client can now imagine any movement, and this movement will be translated in real time. So this was very challenging because we are translating this in real time, okay, and sending the command in real time to the drone and translate this into um, movement of the drone. And whenever the client is feeling stressed, the drone will be landing on the ground. Thank you so much.